That dude right there is gonna have you killed. I'm sorry, bud. My companion, for all these years, has gotten me through a lot of hard times. You're gonna have him killed.
Sir, he bit someone.
I hope the worst for you. I hope your fucking wife cheats on you again. I hope you gain a bunch of weight. I hope you're fucking everything. I hope the worst for you.
What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future high school custodian, here to break down another video and answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Using my law enforcement experience, I aim to answer that question and whatever else pops up in today's video. Let's jump into it. Today's video comes from Midwest Safety. Dog owner fights the entire neighborhood. Walking in blindly. I've never seen it. Here we go.
After a dog named Brownie attacks a family, the neglectful dog owner shows up while an officer investigates, and he is not happy.
I don't want to call the police on nobody, but that can't be. There's too many kids.
This is the second time.
There's too many kids.
Okay,
I don't know if you want to get
So just explain it one more time. What happened?
So Brownie's ruining the entire neighborhood, and we're all just in a fight for our lives, pretty much.
I'm scared.
across the street to go to the school.
Okay.
And he come over there, and she knows him. She said, "Brownie, go home." And he took off charging after her and chased her, knocked her down, and then bit her on the butt.
Bit her on the butt and skinned
Shame.
her knees up.
Okay.
Damn shame.
I gotcha.
She watched the whole thing too.
Okay, ma'am. Can I get a statement from you real quick?
She's probably gonna be pretty soon.
He jumped right on top of her over there when he knocked her.
Look at this lady. She's just like recalling all of the events. She's like, I can't. I hate Brownie. To be honest, I hate him.
Watch the whole thing too.
Okay, ma'am, can I get a statement from you real quick?
She's probably gonna be pretty soon.
He jumped right on top.
She's like, Brownie threatened my life and told me if I gave a statement, he would bite me on the butt again.
When the dog jumped on her, you grabbed the dog and pulled him off?
He never would let me grab him, but I charged at him and he started walking back, and I got firm with him, told him to get his ass home, and I went over and put him in the house.
Go on, get.
Oh, and we went into the house when you opened the door on his own, and then
Right.
Lovingly. Yeah, he respected
course not.
his attitude, and he followed barking him, harassing him the whole time.
Is this all you need from us, Pat?
who, where, when, how. We are good. We'll
Yeah,
take
Brownie
care of the
smokes
situation. I'm trying
meth,
to figure
too.
out one question real quick before I take action.
What's that?
Whether I can go in the house and get the dog. He's home right
there.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
I'm coming over there. Go on. I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to talk to you.
Okay, well, you are going to talk to me because your dog's running at large. Okay, I'm taking the dog.
Take the fucking dog.
Okay.
If that's what you want to do.
Okay.
Then I'm
you
not
need
trying
to
to
chill
be
out.
hard-ass, but he knocked her down right there.
Why is he so mad?
Do that. Put that thing up. I'll get him in your fucking car. You're
Okay.
not taking. Call the dog warden. Call the dog warden. You're not taking.
If you
Call the
interfere
dog
with
warden.
my investigation, I will take you to jail for obstruction.
For what?
For obstructing me in the activity of what I'm doing
I'm not
here.
obstructing you of anything.
Get the dog, you can put him in the car.
I don't know. He needs to be transported properly. Call the dog warden, please.
The dog warden's not on duty.
Well, then I want to tell you, he's not getting. You're not going to choke him with that.
I'm
Sir.
not going to choke him, but you can put him in the car if you'd like. He's going over to the dog pound.
Call the dog warden.
I'll
then.
pull
How are you going to take him to the dog pound if you go by there?
24 hours. I can put him in a cage over at the dog.
Sir,
Or
I'm the
Manapedi will
police.
Meet me over there and unlock the cage so I can put him in there.
So he's just going to be sitting there.
No, the dog warden comes in the mornings and feeds the dogs and waters the dogs.
And I didn't mean for this to happen, man. I honestly didn't.
And they got a hard on for me anyway. It's not your fault. I'm so sorry, sweetheart.
Man, he's out here aggressive as hell.
I don't know. I don't understand why. I get it. I don't understand. He's never
Probably
He's
because
barking at me and
his
grabbing
owner
him
is
and
aggressive.
That's good from your door. But my wife.
I'm sorry. We'll take care of that.
Okay. I'm going to pull my cruiser.
No, none at all. None at all. None at all. It's just asking.
Joshua, I'm going to pull my...
Call me Joshua. It's not my name. You can call me Mr.
Okay, Joshua.
Nice to meet you, Joshua. Joshua.
Hey, I'm going to pull up here and...
Disrespectful as fuck. Come get my dog, asshole. You can't even respect me. You know what? That's why I don't respect you. You guys don't give me a bit
Because
of
I
respect.
called you by your name?
I apologize for that. He doesn't like me very much.
Yeah, we can tell.
He's an asshole. He wants to have you killed. I know. Look at this guy right there.
Just put him in the
Yeah,
in the
put him in the
man.
car.
I'm gonna say goodbye to my dog. You wanna have him killed? I'm gonna say goodbye to my dog, my companion.
That's not up to me. That's up to the dog warden.
It's up to you.
It is not.
Otherwise, he'd be staying here.
That's not.
Sir, showing the dog the police officer is just like an extra unnecessary step. Like, what are we doing here?
Not how things work, man.
No, it's only because you choose to let things work that way. It's your choice in this matter. You're choosing to do this.
Right,
You're
because
trying
he
to stick it
bit
to
someone.
I am
By
not.
killing my dog.
I got called out here, man.
You're sticking it. Okay, I'll turn it over to
No, that's not how things work,
It
man.
is how it works.
The dog is being seized, man.
Because you're a piece of shit, Patrick.
Okay.
You're a piece of shit, Patrick.
Don't call me
You,
Patrick.
McConnell, entire department.
Okay.
That dude right there is going to have you killed. I'm sorry, bud. My companion, for all these years, has gotten me through a lot of hard times. You're going to have him killed.
Sir, he bit someone.
I hope the worst for you. I hope your fucking wife cheats on you again. I hope you gain a bunch of weight. I hope you're fucking everything. I hope the worst for you.
I hope you die.
Okay.
You're going to have my companion
Sir.
killed.
Officer, I hope your dog cheats on you.
With all my depression, my accident,
What?
everything, you're going to have him killed. And I can't handle it civilly with the people I know very well. You're going to interfere. Instead of giving my ticket, let me handle this and find a good home for him. You're going to have him killed.
Mr. Put him in the car. We're done. I'm not going to get into any argument with you whatsoever, okay?
I'll be done when I'm ready to be done. I'm not. This is my. You're trash, dude.
Okay. And you can have any opinion that you want of me.
So leaving here, let
That's
me
fine.
find somewhere to deal safely. You're going to have him killed. Humanely, I can have him placed humanely, but you're going to have him killed.
Okay, lots of the times jurisdictions, if a dog bites someone, that dog has to be quarantined for a specific amount of time. In our jurisdiction, it was 10 days. And then during that time, the owner is required to bring in like proof of rabies vaccinations, proof of vaccinations, but they don't just like immediately put the dog down. It's only if he's not vaccinated.
Have him killed. That's what you care about. That's why you guys love violence and love tickets. Instead of doing things properly, doing what's right for the community and helping people, you want to hurt them and put them down and kill animals, apparently. You can go to sleep feeling good about yourself. You will, because it's me. You wouldn't do this to anybody else.
I would
Nobody
do
else.
exactly the same
Bull
thing,
crap.
man.
I see you get dogs all the time. You post stuff on Facebook, let people come get them, all this other stuff.
Because
I
they don't
charged
bite
somebody down
people.
on West Main Street for a dog biting somebody right around the same time I charged you. I treat every situation exactly the same.
The judge hates you guys.
Okay, put him in the car and we're done.
We're not done. I'm not ready. Let me take your son from you and go have him killed and see how quick you're ready to just throw him in the back of a car.
Wow.
Let's see that.
We're arguing here about the inevitable. I just need you to put the dog in the car and
Bring
we're
the
going to be
dog
done.
warden, dude. Bring him. You know, set him in a cage all weekend by himself.
The dog warden will come over and take care of the dog. That's how things work, man.
Okay, why can't the dog warden come now? So I know he's cared for at least until you guys kill him.
The dog will be taken care of.
How do I know? You're going to shove him in a cage? He's going to rip his paws apart. He's going to do everything else. He's gonna
Sir,
stuff in a
you're
cage.
not taking care of him. He's
That is
running all
torture
over
to
the
an animal.
neighborhood.
You'd rather torture this animal than rather have him have a humane remainder of his life.
141, 1100.
Will you at least crack a window for him?
I will crack a window as soon as the door's shut.
I'm never going to forgive you guys for this. I will have your job for this.
Okay. I'll be back with charges
For a
for
dog?
you. You're clear. Mr. turned over the dog to me. I'll be en route to the dog pound.
After the officer transports the dog to the pound, the next day he returns to Joshua's home to administer his charges.
Oh, this ought to be good.
Hey, I got your paperwork. You got a M4 charge of dog running at large, failure to register the dog, disorderly conduct, and obstructing of official business.
For what?
There you go, sir. You have a good day. Yeah, you have court on Friday at 9 a.m.
That's best practice. Just get out of there. That dude just wants to
Whether
argue.
a dog should be put down or not after biting or attacking someone is determined by a large variety of factors that mainly have to do with the preceding investigation of the incident and whether the dog is determined to have rabies or not after quarantining. After the investigation, the dog could be returned to the owner with conditions. The dog may be labeled dangerous, requiring them stricter control, and in rare cases, if the dog attack was severe or fatal, or the dog has a history of violence, the dog may be euthanized. While the dog's fate is unknown in this incident, let us know your opinion in the comments below. Joshua was charged with disorderly conduct, obstructing official business, dog running at large, and failure
I wonder what the difference between disorderly conduct and obstructing official business is. It's very interesting to me.
to register a dog. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. And when a dog
Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, so literally the exact same circumstances that are present in the jurisdiction I worked for, it seems to be the same case where this is. Joshua is a hard pill to swallow. It's no surprise to me that the dog really wanted to escape that house because Joshua seems to be a very aggressive individual. I don't know why people can't like confine their dogs to an area and take accountability when their dogs are getting out of the confined area that the owners have kept for them. It was a very simple situation that did not require Joshua to come out and start hooting and hollering. I thought the cop was extremely respectful during the entire time. The only iffy situation was when Joshua said, "Don't call me Joshua," and said, "Call me Mr. Last Name." And the cop just totally disregarded that and called him Joshua anyway. But again, that is so minor in the grand scheme of things. Like, it is such a minor thing. That is my only qualm with the officer. Otherwise, I think he did a great job. He interviewed victims, he interviewed witnesses, even got written statements, which is like usually something you see for bigger crimes, but a dog at large, this officer went above and beyond the call of duty. I think that Joshua makes claims that the officer is out to get him. You hear that a lot. A lot of people just feel as though they're being attacked and that they're always being targeted. But in reality, it's just that the same people get into confrontations with the police all the time. So it's no surprise that they feel as though they're being targeted. That's not at all what it is. It's just, no, you keep fucking up and the police keep responding to your incidents, and that's why we know each other so well. It's not that I'm out to get you, it's just that you can't seem to learn how to operate within a functioning society as a functional member of said society. The simple remedy for all of this is just to keep your dog in an area where you know he can't get out, care for your dog, and then none of this will happen. I think the police officer did a tremendous job, and for that reason, I give him a perfect A+ score. I have a Discord now, so if you'd like to come hang out, come talk, come chat, chit chat, I have a specific area within the Discord where you can recommend videos for me to watch. I will be there all the time, hanging out with you guys. I hope you come join. The link is down below. I do these videos just about every single day. If you look through the history, I have over 100 videos. I started in December, and it's been almost 6 months, and I am very, very, very grateful for every single one of you for showing up and engaging me in conversation, engaging me in questions. Also, it's important to note that you can send me videos also by email as well as the Discord. The email is squinkgalonk@gmail.com. I really enjoy doing these for you. I hope that you guys enjoy them too. I know a lot of people say that I talk too much.
You talk way too much.
But this is a commentary channel. If I don't commentate on the videos, I'm essentially just ripping off the original video and adding nothing. I know some of you get annoyed when I say things. It's a very select few, but I'm just telling you things that you might not otherwise know. And of course, I love to make really shitty jokes.
You're not funny?
That's probably my favorite part of doing these videos. I appreciate every single one of you being here, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.